powers of negative numbers. As we have explained previously, powers are repeated multiplications of the same factor. When a negative number is raised in a certain power, we apply the same rules as in multiplication. Thus, if we have a negative number raised in an even power, the result is positive as we can do the operations 2 by 2. On the other hand, when a negative number is raised by an odd power, the result is negative, as when exponents are grouped 2 by 2 they give a positive number, which, when multiplied with the only negative number left, becomes negative. Let's consider a few examples. Calculate a minus 6 4 equals b. Minus 4 5 equals c. Minus 1 1027 equals. Solutions. A. We can write the following as shown on screen. B. We can write the following as shown on screen. C. In this case, we cannot write all factors, so we can write the following as shown on screen. Here, we have applied the property -1 odd equals -1 and -1 even equals +1. Every number raised by the power 0 is equal to 1. That is all for lesson 1.4.8. At the end of tutorial 1.4. To continue this chapter, please watch 1.5, Powers of Negative Numbers. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.